This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Pokémon Scarlet and Violet on Yuzu Mobile. Yuzu is a fantastic open-source Nintendo Switch emulator, bringing your favorite games to your Android device. Before diving in, it's crucial to confirm your phone has enough power. Emulating Switch games requires a robust processor and ample RAM, so check your device specifications to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Next, you'll need the game files for Pokémon Scarlet or Violet. These usually come in NSP or XCI formats. Alongside the game, you'll also require the very latest production keys and title keys. Think of these keys as the digital locks and keys that allow Yuzu to decrypt and understand the game data. Without them, the emulator simply cannot launch your adventure. Once you have your files, install the Yuzu Android application. After installation, open Yuzu and navigate to its settings to load your production and title keys. This step is critical for the emulator to function correctly. Then, add the folder containing your Pokémon game files. Finally, fine-tune the graphics and performance settings to achieve the best balance between visual quality and smooth gameplay on your specific device. With everything configured, you can now launch Pokémon Scarlet or Violet directly from Yuzu's game list. For the best experience, I highly recommend connecting a Bluetooth controller. It offers much better control than touch input. If you run into any problems, don't worry. Try updating Yuzu, ensuring your game files are current, or experimenting with different emulator settings. Remember, performance will vary significantly based on your phone's power.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.